Alright, today we're going to do a little different video. I may start doing videos like this, that's kind of my thought. Kind of a DIY Disney, either building something or in this case we're going to make something to eat. So I was recently at Disneyland and I purchased a Mickey Mouse Rice Krispie treats. Maybe you've had them, maybe you haven't, but they are very good. So when I was there, they used to have them on like a stick, and I asked about a cast member about that. They said they no longer had them on the sticks. So I bought one that was wrapped up in like plastic, and it was about $4.99 I believe, and I think it was smaller size than the ones that were used to be on the sticks. Anyway, so because of that, I'm going to try to make the same thing right here at home. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the first time that I've ever done this, so let's see how they turn out. Here is everything you need to make the Rice Krispie treats. Add 3 tablespoons of butter to your saucepan. Turn your burner to low heat, maybe as much as medium heat, just don't burn it. And then stir your butter till it dissolves in the pan. Once the butter is melted, then dump in your 10 ounces of your marshmallow puff. And stir it until it is melted. Just be careful, don't burn it. Now add in your Rice Krispies and you stir it, and make sure, again, just be careful not to burn it, and make sure that you cover it. You're going to have to stir pretty hard so that the marshmallows completely cover it. Now you're going to spray your pan with Pam or butter so that the Rice Krispie treats do not stick. Then you're going to dump them out into the pan and spread them out kind of evenly. Next, take a piece of wax paper, fold it over, and then go on top of the Rice Krispies so that it doesn't stick to your hand. Even it out some more. Then put it in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. I did probably closer to 5, but you probably should do a little longer so that they're not quite as sticky. Then, after your 10 minutes or so are up, pull it out of the refrigerator, and then take your Mickey head and make your Rice Krispie treats. Now when you do this, just kind of shake it and then pull the excess off of the cookie cutter, and just keep going with this. These cookie cutters are available from Amazon. That's where I got them. I think you can get them in the parks as well. So either way, that's where you can get it. This was like $6 with Prime that I paid, maybe 6 and some change for one cookie cutter. Then the excess here, I'm just adding to it to make these a little thicker. And it's good because that way you get rid of some of the extras. Now you can make bars out of what's left over. That works as well. It's basically up to you what you want to do. But that's what I chose to do, to make them a little thicker, because the first ones came out a little thin. And these ones actually came out a little thicker than I would have liked, so I'd probably go somewhere in the middle with these next time I do it. The recipe will be found in the description below this video. Also, make sure you do subscribe to this channel if you got something out of this video, if it helped you. I do also do a lot of Disneyland videos and Disney related videos, a few non-Disney things as well, but majority of the channel is devoted to Disney. So if that's your thing, make sure you do subscribe and hit that notification bell. So as you can see, this was my first attempt. These ones in the back here that I'm kind of shaking right here, those ones were a little thinner than I liked. And these are probably too thick, a little bit too thick. If you could get them kind of in the middle, I think would be the appropriate size. But otherwise, for the most part, I'm happy with what they turned out for a first try anyways. Maybe your results will be better, and if you try this, make sure you let me know in the comment section below whether yours turned out well or if this helped you at all. One more thing I wanted to add too is that some of the excess, the leftover Rice Krispies that I had, that's what I was putting in to make these ones thicker. So we're going to go ahead and taste one and see how it tastes. It stays together here. I'll just try this one. Actually, what I'll do, I'll put this over here. It's kind of a mess, but anyways, we'll try it. It tastes good, so at least they turned out good. That's all for this video, so see you next time. Bye.